everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you and welcome to Stellazone. If you have not subscribed, please take a few seconds of your precious time and hit that red subscribe button and also a notification bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first amazing ones to get a notification and come watch my amazing face. I'm just kidding. All right, so today I just wanted to come by with a really quick recipe. Okay, I'm not even bothering my cameraman, but I'm just going to try and do this. Is going to be a really simple recipe. So it's Thanksgiving Day and we're going to be going to my mother-in-law's for dinner, but I always try to make something to take, you know, like a side dish and things like that. Yesterday we did a deep fried turkey, but she's going to have oven baked turkey. So we're taking our deep fried turkey and we're going to have some oven baked turkey. Nathaniel, stop. So in that case, I'm going to be making cauliflower mashed, okay? And I'm going to be mixing cauliflower with broccoli. And the reason why I'm doing that is that my father-in-law has been doing keto for some months now. I've actually been doing keto with him, but since I've not been that faithful with my keto journey, but I try to be to stay on track. So this is a keto friendly recipe, and I know that most of you ask me like, what can I eat, you know, if I can have my banku or my kenke and things like that. This is like mashed potatoes, but without the potatoes. This is with vegetables. So I'm just going to walk you through the ingredients that I have. Okay, so stay tuned. Starting off, I have my cauliflower here. Okay, I'm going to use this whole thing because people that are not even on keto can eat this, so it's going to be for everyone. I'm going to be mixing in some broccoli as well. This is both organic broccoli and organic cauliflower. And if you don't, I don't have like, this is butter, this is clarified butter, so I'm going to use ghee. Okay, I'm going to use some ghee here. So yep, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of heavy cream. And trust me, this makes it, if you can find organic, but I'm okay with this. So I'm going to be adding some sour cream. Oops. Some sour cream to this and salt, a little bit of salt. And also I'm going to be adding garlic cloves. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm starting with the cauliflower. What I'm doing is I'm just going to be breaking it apart, you know, to make it easier to cook. Or if you want, you can just chop it up, okay? But make sure you rinse it before you put it in your water. Moving on, so I have my garlic in here. 1, 2, 3, about 4 pieces of garlic in a cup of water. Okay, this is 1 cup of water. Sorry if Nathaniel is screaming. And I have some butter in here, okay, about 1 tablespoon of butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the cauliflower, okay, break apart, wash, add it to your water. Cover it and let it cook for the first 5 minutes before you add your broccoli. Okay, so I'm going to cook this. I'm going to cook it more than 5 minutes, but for the first 5 minutes, I'm going to let it cook before adding the broccoli. Okay, so cover this and let it cook. All right, so now I'm going to add the broccoli. And mix it, cover it, and let it cook until it is soft and tender enough to mash into like you know how you do mashed potatoes, you mash it into a puree. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this cook until it's nice, soft, and tender. Our broccoli and cauliflower is done. So I have it in a glass bowl now. I'm going to get my blender, but before that, I'm going to be adding some butter, okay? Which is, I'm using ghee, so I'm going to add, you can add anywhere from 2 tablespoons to 3 to 4. It depends on how nice, creamy, fatty you want it, okay? All right, so mix this in there. Because it's hot, it's going to melt right away, okay? And then I go in with my milk. I'm using the heavy cream. So I'm just adding just a little bit of cream to it. You don't have to. And now the fun begins. Let me get my hand blender.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
Here you have it, okay? It looks just like mashed potatoes, okay? The consistency. So now just a few tips. If you don't want it this smooth and you want it a little bit lumpy, you can use the potato masher, okay? You can just use the potato masher and mash it around to whichever consistency you want. Or you can also, if you don't have a hand blender, just use a regular blender, okay? And you will achieve the same result. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is going to be adding the sour cream. I just like the texture and the taste that the sour cream introduces into this cauliflower mash. So that's my sour cream there. That is my secret. Okay, you can add as much as you want. Okay, you can do 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, but don't go too crazy. All right, so I'm just going to mix this in here. It gives it a really nice creamy texture, flavor, let me say. Okay, so this is it. This is a simple cauliflower mash. You can leave the milk out. You can just boil it, you know, with the garlic and the oil and just mash it and you're good to go. You don't have to be this fancy like Stella, okay? So this is it. Let me know what you think. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, okay? And click the notification bell icon. Comment, share. Let me know what you guys think. What would you have done different, okay? Some of you can say I can add some cayenne pepper, some paprika, whatever it is. Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Sour cream incorporated. This looks so nice, delicious. I did splatter some cauliflower mash on my face as I had a blender still going. So let me taste this, okay? So you all don't think, you know, she made it, she's not even going to taste it. You know, I'm going to taste it. This is it right here. Trust me, like 100%, once you try this recipe, you're not going to go back to regular mashed potatoes. Just have this with your chicken. And this doesn't have to be a Thanksgiving like recipe. It can be your everyday, especially if you're trying to lose weight and you want to cut out carbs. This is the good way to go. Try this and come back and thank me later. Okay? Please subscribe.